Coast to coast instrumental.
K-Joe.
Huh?
Explain to people why we're not performing today.
We're not performing today because this BS over here. Want to be actors. That's why we can't perform today. So, yeah. But yeah, wait till Tuesday. And I worked all night just for this day. All this stuff for nothing. For somebody to tell me during fourth period, instead of in the morning.
Right before the performance.
Right before fifth period. So I'm mad. So
what we gonna do?
Yeah, we can just make a video. Because to all these Shakespearean people, Shakespeare, he cool and everything, but he ain't all that.
Team killer. Team killer. Team killer. Team killer. Team killer.
I hate to see out of control.
Okay.
Street bully, they done pulled me out the gutter. Grab something by the beat, I can smother, yeah. The one that stopped me since I came out the cage. Plain and simple, pick 'em up, hit 'em, hey. What if I see you on the corner? Would that be insane when you see the face of the bang of the crump game? Bully, yeah, talk big, and I'll start to show you niggas what it is. I drop boulders, I'm cold, break shoulders. I got bones from your crump, I can't hold them. I'm a street bully. Who am I? Street bully, yo. I'm a king, I'm Thor, Al Gore, I'm 45 niggas galore. Who could stop me? Street bully with the ugly mummy clothes, leather jacket, gloves. gloves on and that bummy rugby pose. Crack niggas black, hit them with the spaz. Niggas smack, niggas backtrack. Really, really grimy, right? Right. You chumps don't even know your lane. I done survived a head-on collision with a crane. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bully, that's what I do, man. Bully Street, that's me. I'm a train. You don't understand. Crumps propane. Beanie on sideways and backwards if you like. I'm huge, I'm a goon. A 4 teaspoon of that. Street bully, keep bully, eat bully, speak bully, we bully, everybody. Street, pick them up, shut them down. Getting up, slump them down. Beat them up, what's up now? Street bully, pick them up, shut them down. Getting up, them down. Beat up, street bully, loud, yeah. Pick them up, shut them down. Getting up, slump them down. Beat them up, what's up now? Street bully. Pick them up, shut them down. Getting up, them down. Beat up, street bully. Loud, yeah. I'm too street. I'm too street. I'm too street. I'm too street. I'm too bully. I'm too bully. I'm too bully. I'm too bully. I'm too street. I'm too street. I'm too street. I'm too street. I'm street bully. I'm
Oh, yeah, what you doing here? What you doing here, Yang?
What you doing here?
Hey, get your ass, you going.
Mamacita.
What's your name, Juwan?
Bonita. My name ain't Juwan, it's Julio. Camo.
Of course, this big N-word gonna come up in here and do something like that. This big N-word come in there and do some mess like that, of course. I ain't say no F-word to you, man. I'm good.
SpongeBob, bro. Do it, bro.
Yeah, we supposed to
How black people do. No.